Welcome back to Grip News 2M, where we bring you the latest updates on business and finance. Today, we're diving into the NTPC Green Energy IPO, which kicked off on a high note. Retail investors are showing strong enthusiasm, but what's driving this momentum? Let's break down the key highlights of Day 1 of the IPO. Day 1 subscription highlights. On its opening day, November 19th, the NTPC Green Energy IPO achieved an overall subscription of 20%, with bids placed for 11.3 crore shares out of the 59.3 crore shares on offer. Retail individual investors, or RIIs, led the charge, subscribing to a whopping 80% of their allocated shares. Out of the 8.6 crore shares set aside for retail investors, they placed bids for 6.9 crore shares. Non-institutional investors, or NIIs, followed with bids for 91.9 lakh shares against their allocation of 12.9 crore shares. However, qualified institutional buyers, or QIBs, showed minimal participation, subscribing to just over 5,000 shares out of their allocated 25.9 crore shares. The NTPC Green Energy IPO is a book-built issue aiming to raise a massive 10,000 Indian rupees crore through the fresh issue of 92.6 crore shares. The price band has been set at 102 Indian rupees to 108 Indian rupees per share, and retail investors can participate with a minimum lot size of 138 shares, requiring an investment of 14,904 Indian rupees. Subscriptions for the IPO will close on November 22nd, and investors can expect allotments by November 25th, with the company's listing anticipated on November 27th on the BSE and NSE. Ahead of the IPO, NTPC Green Energy raised 3,960 Indian rupees crore through its anchor book on November 18th. Notable global institutional investors participated, including Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, Abu Dhabi Investment Authority, BNP Paribas, Government of Singapore, and more. This anchor investment reflects strong confidence in NTPC Green Energy's potential to lead India's clean energy transition. The proceeds from the IPO will be primarily used to fund NTPC Green Energy's investment in its subsidiary, NTPC Renewable Energy Ltd., helping to repay outstanding borrowings. A portion of the funds will also be allocated for general corporate purposes. Incorporated in April 2022, NTPC Green Energy is a wholly owned subsidiary of NTPC Ltd. And is committed to driving India's clean energy revolution. The company focuses on renewable energy projects, positioning itself as a leader in the transition towards sustainable energy. With retail investors showing strong interest and global institutions backing the IPO, NTPC Green Energy is off to a promising start. Will this enthusiasm carry through until the final day of subscription? Only time will tell. Stay tuned to Grip News 2M for more updates on this story and other market trends. Don't forget to drop your thoughts in the comments section. Are you planning to invest in the NTPC Green Energy IPO? Thank you for watching Grip News 2M. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest in news and finance. We'll see you next time with more insights and analysis.